Hey guys, welcome to another video. Yes. So I'm preparing for Matthew's birthday. I want to give him a big surprise. He has no idea what's happening, no clue. Yep, so let's just get right into it. You see me? This box feels very light. So only one of the gifts came. Yeah, just one gift come. There should be something else, but only this come. Yeah, only this come. He had purchased this from a friend in Jamaica, and he brought it up. Bare essentials. Big up yourself. Yeah, check out the business. And it came with like 3 cents. 1 million, Burberry, and Invictus. So, as you can see, them finish. Matthew has been asking, I want a cologne, so I said I was gonna buy this. And then he also wants some bead, something they put on your hand. You want that too, because the ones he had or dogs in Jamaica burst them, so he not have them no more. So I also bought them. I think there are 2 things that coming out of that, but as you can see, that's empty, just the cologne. So now I'm gonna go dispose of these before Matthew gets home from work and hide this cologne in my drawer, or hide it. Alright, so now I have to break down the box because I live in an apartment and I have to throw the stuff down the garbage chute. So only not mine, I have to throw it down the garbage chute. And if you don't break down the box before you throw it down the garbage chute, you have to pay a very heavy fine. And I cannot afford that. So you break up the box. And you do what you have to do. To get through it. And them can't charge me. Not me. Alright, so see where you're now. You can tell when I really like touching things here. So normally Matthew would do this also. But like how me one day, I have to go just, do it myself. Girl recycle and them things there. Yes. So just let's stay tuned to everything that's gonna happen. The nice clean skin man. Yes. Don't mind my face. We are pretty out. General Products is not here with me in Canada, so don't mind it. But yeah. See you guys another day. Okay, so now I am on my way to stores to get like some things for Matthew. So yeah, I'm gonna get a card. I think I'm gonna maybe like get something to cook for like a special dinner. So yeah, let's see what gets done, because I do have a lot of schoolwork to do, and he's at work now, so I want to go and come back and hide the stuff before he comes home, because he is on early shift today. So let's see how many things I get done. Hopefully I get back home in time without any suspicions, and yeah, because I'm gonna have to get back home and put on back the clothes that I had on that he saw me in, because typically I don't bathe until after I get back from the gym. Probably delete the part because underneath really know all of that, but let's see how it goes. And then boy, homegirl came off the bus a long time ago, and because she has no sense of direction and cannot go anywhere without her husband, she has been walking up and down for the past 8 minutes trying to find the store. Finally see it. Nowhere else to go but the Dollarama for the nice things time. So I didn't get everything that I wanted from Dollarama, so I'm heading to Dollar Tree to see if I can get the rest of the stuff. And boy, my face is freezing. It's like minus 19 degrees, but you have to give the man good things. I'm standing up on the bus stop a long time, The app said the bus will come in 8 minutes, and I've been here, I'm sure, for probably like 10 minutes. And no bus. And out here is pretty chilly. Might have a little shelter, but sketchy. Out here cool, so the bus need for urban reach like now, so I can go back home to do my schoolwork. Yeah, but first I need to stop at the supermarket to get some things to cook dinner. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys what I was picking up in Dollarama and Dollar Tree, but you guys will see eventually. So yeah, people, imagine girl come and witness robbery, right? Say you like me up stand up here a while and I wonder what what really happened. Me, I go at the supermarket to go pick up some things for my husband's surprise dinner tomorrow, right? My black Matthew say I'm not gonna see the status, just to make her know, and you don't tell him about the status, right? And then I just see two white boys run out of the supermarket with two baskets. You don't know the little basket, some of them when you walk around in the supermarket and you just put things like that. I see two white boys run out with one, each one have one. And I say no. And then one woman in the supermarket just a pint and a pint. And then one they like the one worker that they just look around the door. And I'm just like, I say honest to God, the boy them just run out at the supermarket with the basket full. First I see them come out and I'm just like, but wait, you don't normally come out with the baskets. And then just say how them look back and I touch and I run. I'm just like, oh, I've never been seen that before. Girl come and say all kind of new things. Not to mention when I was on the train and I saw a guy get kicked in his face by a guy of unsound mind, by somebody probably hooked up on drugs. And I'm just like all of this excitement happening, and people are just so cool and chill.
The fanciness I walk home to. Look at the fanciness I walk home to.
So this morning I had to rush out while I did the setup for Matthew's birthday, because of course he's gonna reach home before me, so he's already home. And I'm gonna now go inside and see what is up with him. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I made this. Matthew put it up for me. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to... Take off your mask now.
Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you. Yes, thank you, babe.
Alrighty, so birthday dinner. Okay, because food out of roast. Now, girl, I'm gonna do some mashed potato. Yeah, everything organized. Yeah, I don't mind about everything organized.